Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, we will be making marble design coasters using clay or Play-Doh. Here I am using homemade clay, and how to make this homemade clay I have shown in another video, for which the link is in description box below. I have used acrylic colors to create different shades here. So let's begin. I've already made shades of blue, teal and grey here. We'll take a bit of every color and roll it. Now we need to mix these colors together to create the marble effect. We can mix them by rolling it and twisting it together and then rolling it again. Now once the dough is mixed properly, we need to roll this using a rolling pin. I've used a cling wrap so that it does not stick. You can use any plastic for rolling it smoothly. We can see the beautiful marble effect while rolling the pin. We need to roll until it is having a thickness of a coaster, and then use any coaster to give a shape. I have a square coaster, so I'm using the same. Use knife to cut the clean edges. Don't worry if the edges did not cut very clean like in my case. We can fix that later. Now leave this for a couple of days. As this is air dry clay, it will become hard in few days. Once it becomes hard, we can use sandpaper to fix them and make the edges look clean. Rub the sandpaper on all the edges to get smooth and clean finish. Once the edges are clean, I will apply a coat of Mod Podge on this and leave it for drying. Once the Mod Podge dries, I'll paint the edges dark grey and later add silver to give it a metallic finish. final touches, I'm adding a coat of varnish. It will give it a glossy and shiny look. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.